Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp backup on the TECNO Spark 20 Pro. Okay, so let's begin. First, we need to open up our WhatsApp. Now, once we are here, we need to click on those three dots in the top right corner, but not in the chat, but right in here. Now click on the settings. Now find the chats. Now scroll down a little bit and click on the chat backup. And now, under the Google account, we have the Google account that we are currently logged into on our device in our settings. And on that selected account, our WhatsApp backup will be saved and stored. So, for example, in the future, if you want to restore your backup, you'll need to be logged into the same Google account that you can see right in here, the one which is selected on your device, of course. You can also click on Add Account if you want to change it and add another one. It's completely up to you. So wait a little bit, and in here enter your mail, and also you can create a new one by clicking right in here. Now let's go back. Below we have also the automatic backups. Defaultly this option will be set on off, but we have other options such as daily, weekly, monthly, or only when I tap backup mode. For now, I set it on monthly, and that means that each month the backup will be automatically made, and I don't need to do this manually. So it's pretty convenient and comfortable option that you can select, and it works pretty nice. Okay, now we have end-to-end encrypted backup on the bottom. If you choose to turn it on, it's completely up to you. In here you can create a unique password that you will need to type in the future if you want to restore your backup, but remember that if you forget this password, you won't be able to restore your chats, so remember about it. But it's not necessary, this feature. Okay, and now once everything is selected, click on the backup button. You can also enable to include the videos in your backup right in here. Now click on this green button, backup. Now the process will start, so let's wait a little bit. Okay, and now it's finished. We can see that when the last backup was made, it was like 3 seconds ago. The data, I mean in the hour, is correct, and also we can below see the size of our backup. Okay, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.